Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just have a little project share for you. I used some of the items that I got from BB Craft, and I just wanted to show you what I had come up with. And if you remember, I got these little tiny orbs, and they are very, very small. And what came with them were these little flower petal tops. And so I decided to make some charms out of them. And I've already put them all together to show you because I didn't want to be fooling with super glue on camera, and especially after I found out that my super glue was basically going bad. So I'm going to show you what I used inside. I used some amethyst chips. I used some garnet chips, some citrine, and some rose quartz. And then I also did make a few with the little sequins that I got from BB Craft. And then the other ones I put in a little rosemary. I put in some rose petal, and I put in some jasmine. I'm having a little difficulty with them fogging up on the inside. So I'm going to show you. Let's see if we can get that to focus. You can see the little flowers in there. That is the jasmine. We've got, I'll show you one that completely fogged up in just a second. We've got the rose petal in there. And the rosemary, I don't know why, but you can see it is completely fogged up, and I don't know why that happened. So, but you can still see the little sprigs of rosemary in there, so I'm hoping that eventually that fogging will go away. We've got the garnet chips here in there. We've got the amethyst in here. Got citrine in here. And then we've got the rose quartz in there. And then the three, they're still a little wet from the super glue. Which it might have been the super glue that's doing the fogging, I don't know. I'll have to play around with some other glues next time. I did 3 of the ones with the little sequins, and I've got oh, come on, focus. I've got a silver and purple. I've got orange and purple in there. And then I've got pink and red in here. So just a little project that I put together. And these little charms can be used pretty much for anything. You can put them on little hooks. You can hook them onto different things. And so I just wanted to make a little supply of them and show you guys on here. So yeah, I will have the link for all of the for the orbs, for the I think it's for nail art, but I will have those links down below from BB Craft. And yeah, you guys should check them out. They have a lot of product on there that you can actually use for stuff other than jewelry making. And yeah, go check them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little project share, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.